Once again, welcome on board to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about basic knowledge of Airbus and 18 390 320 321 series and its engines. So let's start with Airbus. Airbus is a leader in designing, manufacturing, delivering aerospace products, services and solutions to customer on worldwide scale. Around more than 1,34,000 employees working with Airbus team, largest aeronautic and space company in Europe and worldwide leaders. So it's operated in multiple sectors including defense, commercial aircraft, helicopter and more. And latest technology they are going to come with hydrogen propulsion future air to power future aircraft, that is turboprop, turbofan and blended wing body. One of the beautiful aircraft. I will show the figure next slide, resulting in high efficient hybrid electric propulsion system. Turboprop, you can see more than 100 passengers can accommodate in this aircraft. Hydrogen hybrid turbo engine to install on the wing, and more than 1000 nautical miles can go, and liquid hydrogen storage distribution system installed in the fuselage body. And blended wing fan can have turbofan can accommodate more than 200 passengers and up to 2000 plus nautical mile can be operated. Ambition is to develop the world first hydrogen power aircraft commercial aircraft by 2035. High energy density of hydrogen, roughly 2.5 times higher than the jet fuel. Unlike biofuel or hydrogen power, hydrogen does not require large area of land to produce. Airbus aspires to create a 200 seat up to 2300 miles, and that's called around 3700 kilometers. This is Airbus 320 aircraft. Advantage is to reduce the greenhouse gas emission, high reliability, flexibility in installation and operation, development of renewable of energy resources, reduce demand of foreign oils, improve environment quality, no adverse environmental impact during the operation, zero CO2 emission of energy. And this is directly going to reduce the cost to the company, and this technology is going to help in the future generation. Another you can see it's total 6 powered turboprop aircraft, which is using around 8 bladed propeller, easily installation removal, same using hydrogen fuel. Disadvantage high production cost, lack of infrastructure. This is 380 aircraft hydrogen combustion engine locating along the rear fuselage. 4 liquid hydrogen tank can be installed in the rear side of the fuselage. This engine will be look like this, and one of the beautiful engine if it is success in the market. Airbus 320 family produced by Airbus. Series of narrow-body single-aisle aircraft, retractable tricycle landing gear, powered by 2-wing pylon-mounted turbofan engine. The first launch in March 1988. First flight operated 22 Feb 1987. In April 1988, introduced by Air France, and 5 assemblies taking place in Toulouse, Hamburg, and Tianjin, China. This aircraft 380, 390, 320, 321. More detailed in next slide. This powered by CFM 56 500 V2 500, latest with new engine option with CFM LEAP and Pratt & Whitney engine. A320 became the first airline to fly with an all-digital fly-by-wire control system. Offer maximum takeoff weight from 68 to 93.5 tons. You can see left side A320ceo optional circlet, and right side A320 neo circlet as a standard. More efficient engine, up to 15 to 20% more fuel efficient. This is also prevent the atmospheric effect, noise separation and fuel cost, and this will benefit for all the airline. Airbus corporate jet or business jet version is look like this. Some of the operator is business jet aircraft. Depending on the requirement, cabin can be modified. Variant of A318, A319, 320, 321. A318 up to 107 to 132 passenger. A319 can accommodate 156 to 156 passenger. A320 accommodate 140 to 186 passenger. A321 accommodate offer 185 to to 36 passenger, all depend on the company requirement and LOPA, layout of passenger arrangement. This can cover up to 6,946 km, that is 4320 miles. This all are the Airbus family aircraft. In December 2010, Airbus announced that A320neo, that is new engine option, which is entered into the service with the Lufthansa in January 2016. First neo aircraft with more efficient turbofan improvement, including circlet. This offer up to 15% better fuel economy. Earlier 320 are called as a current engine option. Right now, American Airlines is the largest dealer of Airbus 320, which is operating 469 aircraft till date. In June 2023, Airbus got order up to 17,688 aircraft, and total they have delivered 10,948 aircraft up to 340 operators. Why did Airbus give the 380 such a high number? Looking at Airbus line of commercial aircraft, you can see that there is a 300, Airbus 300, Airbus first aircraft, Airbus 310, wide body domestic aircraft is smaller than 300, Airbus 320, narrow body or domestic traveler, 330, twin engine wide body aircraft, 340, 4 engine long range Boeing 747 competitor, 350, the most modern Airbus aircraft released to the market, 380, the famous double deck aircraft. These are all the aircraft Airbus 320 pattern. Now come to the A320-200. A stand for basically Airbus 320's model number, more on that below. -200 standing for the second version of Airbus 320. 214, A320-214 with CFM56 5B engine. This is current engine option. 2 for Airbus 200 series. 2 for Airbus 200 series. 1 stand for CFM engine. 4 stand for engine type. CFM stand for commercial fan motor. Joint venture between the General Electric Aviation USA and Safran of France 50/50. CFM engine is look like this, having 4 blocker door as a thrust reverser and 2 on left, 2 on right. You can see the visual. Now coming to neo engine, that is new engine option A320-271 and 271-127GA-JM. 271, 2 stand for Airbus 200 series, 7 stand for Pratt & Whitney engine, 1 engine type, and is stand for neo. Now PW stand for Pratt & Whitney, 1 is engine model 1010 ends, 1 Airbus airframe, 27 thrust in pounds C200, that is called 27,000 pounds, can be produced by this engine. G stand for gear turbofan, FDGS. J stand for Japanese Aero Engine Corporation. A stand for alternate line option. M motor and turbine union for. This is new engine. This ultra high bypass engine, 12:1 ratio. Beautiful engine, but right now currently facing with some technical issues, industrial issue. A320-251 CFM LEAP 251. 2 is stand for same Airbus 200 series, 5 is stand for CFM LEAP engine, 1 engine type. LEAP is stand for leading edge aviation person. This can be powered both Airbus and Boeing aircraft. This is LEAP engine, look like it's high bypass ratio 11:1. LEAP different variant is there. LEAP 1A, 1B, 1C. LEAP 1A for Airbus airframe, that will produce 24,500 to 35,000 pound thrust. LEAP 1B for Boeing 737 Max can produce up to 23,000 to 28,000 pound thrust. LEAP 1C used for Comac 919 aircraft can produce up to 30,000 pound of thrust. Other way you can see A320-2 XYR. All A320-200 was equipped with different type of engine from different companies. So X is a code for the engine manufacturing, like GE, Rolls-Royce, PW. Y is a code for engine type V2500 and CFM56. Thank you so much for watching this video, and like, subscribe and comment. If you need more video, I'll try to give you next available time. Thank you.